Alright, I'm going to show you guys one of my best-selling products recently. It is a key rack in the shape of a chairlift. Now it's from a picture I took of a chairlift at Mount Bachelor. So it's based on that. And I'm using the fire control by Langmeyer Systems, cutting it out of 14 gauge steel. Using a prime weld cut 60. The settings are 39 amps at 60 psi. Find that settings with 14 gauge steel. It's minimal dross. Once all the pieces are cut, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. I like to tap the pieces on the welding table to get a lot of the loose dross off, and I'll come in with a scraper to get the rest of it, and then use a grinder to fine tune it. These things made them 3 pieces so I can maximize the amount of space used up on a sheet of steel. They used to be single pieces, but it was kind of hard to nest them efficiently. So once I have the welds ground flush, I will bend the hooks with a crescent wrench, and then this is what you get. You can hang 6 keys. The spacing's inch and a quarter apart between hooks. These are great for the skier or snowboarder in your life. Thanks for watching.